During Corona, OBC Morcha has played a vital role during Sevai Sangatana, right from serving the poor and needy during Corona. Now they are equally and actively participating in getting all the people vaccinated. Modi ji government during these 7 years of period, they have taken historical decisions and one side development, second other hand welfare. Bharatiya Janata Party for the last 7.5 years not only to curb Corona but taken decisions like abolition of 370 article, building of Ram temple, and even for Muslim women, Tribal Talaq Act, Citizen Amendment Act. Apart from socially deprived sections, weaker sections like SC, ST, BC, even economically backward classes, Modi ji government has given reservations to 10%. So under the leadership of Modi ji, Amit Shah ji and Nadda ji, we could able to come to power not only at national level twice, but in almost in 18 states we are in power. But for the development and historical decisions and even welfare of the poor and farming community and providing skills to the youth. So 75 years of independence, Congress party has never given any sort of reservations to the OBCs in the country. Overall in the country, more than 50% is the population of the OBCs. And even states like Tamil Nadu and even Pondicherry, it is more than 60%. In spite of OBCs having no proper education, no proper employment, socially deprived sections, never Congress party has considered to provide reservation in employment or education. Congress party was a villain and is a villain to OBCs. Never worked for the upliftment and empowerment of OBC. Just treated OBCs as vote bank in the name of Garibi Hatao, but they have done nothing. But Modi ji, in span of 7 years, he has not only given constitutional status to National Backward Commission, but also given separate ministries to fishermen and separate budget to fishermen community. Apart from providing separate budget for fishermen community, now he has constituted a Justice Rohini Commission to subcategorize OBCs. Only a few of OBCs are getting reservations. The most backward class and extreme backward class are not even getting 1% of reservations. So Justice Rohini Commission will submit a report and Modi ji government implement the subcategorization among OBCs also. As far as Congress is concerned, for information, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Constitution provided reservations to SCs and STs, and he made it clear that even to get OBCs reservations or for their empowerment, upliftment, a commission should be constituted and executive government should think of it. Under the Article 340, Nehru did not constitute a national level backward class commission. So Ambedkar ji has protested for Nehru working against OBCs, resigned from the cabinet government. Then Nehru, he constituted a national backward class commission that in the year 1953, Kaka Kalekar Commission. Kaka Kalerkar Commission has given a report to provide reservations in education and employment, and he identified 2,000, almost 400 castes, and out of them 840 most backward class. But in spite of the report given by Kaka Kalerkar Commission constituted by Nehru as a Prime Minister, Nehru did not consider the report. Though the Commission report was placed in Parliament, it was never allowed for debate or discussion and was rejected in the year 1961. After 17 years also, as a Prime Minister, Nehru did not think of OBC welfare. And Indira Gandhi came to power. She was in power for almost 12 years. She did not think of any reservations or upliftment of OBCs. Finally, in the year 1977, Morarji Desai became Prime Minister with the Janata Party supported by Jan Sangh, erstwhile BJP. Vajpayee ji and Ladwani were part of that ministry. And that Morarji government, they have ordered for a commission, that is BP Mandal Commission, in the year 1978. Finally, Janata Party government collapsed in the year 1980 due to internal fighting among the parties. And 1980, Mandal Commission report submitted recommending 27% reservation in central administration, employment and education. Unfortunately, Janata Party could not come to power. Again, Indira Gandhi came to power. Right from 1980 to 1989, though Congress was in power, they did not think of Mandal Commission implementation nor discuss the Mandal Commission report. Finally, National Front under the leadership of VP Singh, supported by BJP, came to power. Then VP Singh announced for the implementation of 27% reservation for OBC with the support of BJP and with two conditions, that is creamy layer and even constitution of NCBC. Though people have gone to court, court has given clear direction to implement and execute 27% reservation. Never Congress supported reservations for BCs. It is only Janata Party, again VP Singh. Finally, after this 24 years after the implementation of OBC reservations, National Backward Class Commission earlier, they did not have powers like SC Commission, ST Commission, Minority Commission, Women Commission. Those commission had constitutional status, but OBC Commission just to include or exclude only BC caste. Finally, Narendra Modi came to power. He has given constitutional status to Backward Class Commission to strictly implement 27% reservations. But for the commission, for the last 7 years, there were only 14 to 15% reservations out of 27 got executed, implemented. Now it has reached 21. Now these commission members are touring entire country. Whichever organization, whichever the government department not implementing, they are taking judicial action, legal action. Now these OBCs are now justified by Modi ji giving constitutional status to NCBC, National Commission for Backward Classes. Not only that, this year first time in education institutions like Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya, Sainik schools and even law universities, first time 27% reservations are implemented. This year 60,000 students are getting benefited. This is but for Modi ji and BJP government. Never these reservations were earlier implemented. Not only that, in the recent ministry expansion, Narendra Modi has given true meaning of social justice. Not only women getting ministries, not less than 8 members, 11 members, and SCs 12 ministers have become, STs 8 members, minorities 5, and OBCs 27. Post-independence, 75 years of independence, first time OBCs 27 members are included in the now Union Ministry. This is the credit of Modi government. And apart from that, and a qualified MPs, 25 states got representation. Geographically and socially, this is the meaning of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Modi ji included almost communities, caste, and geographically covered 25 states, and 4 former CMs are become central ministers, 12 SCs, 8 STs, 27 OBCs, 5 minorities, 11 women, and 13 lawyers, 6 doctors, 7 civil servants and 5 engineers, 7 doctorates and 3 MBAs and 68 graduates are part of this Team India under the leadership of Narendra Modi. This is to build a new India, Naya Bharat, new India under the leadership of Modi. And not only that, that fishermen has been given a separate ministry and fishermen have got a separate budget. And Modiji government announced 50% subsidies to these mechanized boats and mechanized. Not only that, he has now constituted a satellite to see that help the fishermen. Now lakhs of fishermen are dependent on this fishing. Now with this small cell phone or small matchbox instrument like that, he can now imagine where the storm is, where the now wind is, so that he can go for fishing depending upon the satellites. It is named as Navika. Where fish is available, now fishermen can go directly with these boats to get fish and come back without any damage or without any life loss because of Modi ji. That was implemented in Gujarat. Now throughout country, this satellite is now working and fishermen are helped. Like this, Modi ji is working for the betterment, upliftment, empowerment of OBC, and never the Congress. Now, and even recently, when the bill for NCBC getting constitutional status was introduced, it was opposed by Congress party, it was opposed by DMK, it was opposed by regional parties. Finally, it took again 1 more year to get that bill passed. When Modi ji is working for the welfare of the BCs, how Congress and regional parties like DMK, in the name of getting support of OBCs, how they have now ditched and how they are backstabbing OBCs. This OBC Morcha, throughout the country, we are going to organize district level, mandal level meetings, and how Modi is working for the welfare of OBCs and how Congress and other parties are working against the interest of OBCs. With these few words, I request all the media people, and Modi ji has become now Messiah of OBCs. He has now been called Abhinava Mahatma Jyotirao Phule by inducting 27 MPs into Union Ministry. First time in the Indian history that credit goes to Modi ji.